Starfall.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over a Corran horn by Starfall Sabers. This has an awesome crystal reveal, some neopixel switches, and a really awesome J-lock system as well. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you just what's going on. Alright, so this is the Starfall Sabers, this is one of Starfall Sabers' Corran horn designs. I know he likes to get a little creative, and I absolutely love the overall shape and design of the Corran horn hilts. You know, having the high activation box. That's honestly, I prefer it up here. I think it's totally out of the way, and it aesthetically looks really cool. I love that the KR Dark Saber Greebly is on here. This is so cool to see. And it just has that overall, biker grip aesthetic. So really, really cool design. And the best part about it is, so these are neopixel switches, but this is the power and this is the auxiliary, but it's got a J-lock system. So it just pops right open, and it's a tight fit. I mean, it locks on there real well and doesn't rattle. I'm wildly impressed. Nick did a great job. So this just unlocks, and you have access to the crystal chamber and your Proffieboard, and you can throw in your battery right here. So they opted to get a awesome copper wrap, which fits the aesthetic really well. The positive is on the bottom, and the top is the negative, so flat side up and nipple down. So this just goes right in, and then you get your boot up. Looks really cool, honestly. I just love the way that turned out. And then you just, pop this bad boy back on, lock it in, and you're good to go. So power. Auxiliary. So this has twist on, twist off. And this also has, at the request of the customer, the Kyberphonic Son of Corellia sound font, which is a great fit. I also have the Starfall package is on here, which also has my Corran horn, which has way more exaggerated speeder bike sounds. But you get the motor that accelerates. And then
battery level.
Oh, something I would like to actually say.
Battery level.
The battery level is going to be on the crystal. So if it's green, it's like a full charge. If it's blue, it's lower. And so it goes green, blue, white, orange, red. And so if your crystal in the battery level is orange or red, it'll probably start screaming at you shortly that it wants you to charge it. But all these neopixel switch all these animations, essentially the LEDs when the Saber is on, they all stay on They are all different colors for the different sound fonts, and they have different blinking patterns. So this one's just on. I'm sorry, this is a slow fade, and this one is a fast dim on off. Then we have like a yellow and a blue. Two white LEDs, a purple blade.
Hero's Journey. Reconcile.
Orange and red. Now, the two Corran horn fonts are also dual phase, so if you do color change, it'll just change to purple from white. So you get white and purple, and you'll see the blade has a cool little, it just wipes in. But yeah, this saber's loud. It's so cool. Just, I mean, that action alone is so nice. I don't know if I would ever get tired of that. This is your blade retention screw. So you would just loosen this, stick your blade in, and then tighten this down until you're comfortable. By hand, there's probably no tightness that's too tight. You don't need a tool ever to tighten that. Just use your fingers. The LEDs, or the neopixels, will go to sleep. All of them will go to sleep after about 10 to 15 minutes. And gestures will also no longer work after 10 to 15 minutes of it just sitting there doing nothing. That's to save battery, but if you want to save battery long term, then I just recommend pulling out your battery. And then that way you're able to save your battery charge. This is going to come with a charging bay for external battery. Slide it in and it locks into place, starts charging. It'll come with one of these. They are from KR Sabers and they are great. Smart chargers, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your batteries. So that pretty much covers this video, or rather this saber, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more lightsabers just like this, featuring designers like Starfall Sabers, KR Sabers, 89 Sabers, all the Sabers. If you are looking to have one of those lightsabers installed, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com and I'll be happy to get back to you about your inquiry. And that being said, I guess I'll just see you guys on the next one, and as always, may the Force be with you.